Welcome back to Overheat, Skoda Motorhome, Wanderer for 2026. External design, Skoda Design Lines. The Wanderer will keep the distinctive Skoda design components even though it is a motorhome. The recognizable front grille with LED daytime running lights is part of this. Sturdy alloy wheels, all-terrain tires on alloy wheels that are 17 or 18 inches in diameter provide improved performance on a range of driving conditions. Large panoramic windows on the sides and back give passengers an unhindered view of the interior of the cabin. Automatic sliding doors for convenient and seamless access. Automatic sliding side doors with a soft close feature are available. Interior. The front passenger and driver seats may be turned 180 degrees to connect to the living room. Kitchen features include a medium-sized compressor refrigerator, a fold-down sink, a 2-burner induction stove, and clever utensil storage. Sleeping area. An adjustable permanent bed in the back. Ambient LED lighting. The cabin has a cozy ambience thanks to recessed, dimmable LED lighting. The primary option will be the full electric BEV variant, which has a huge capacity battery that provides a lot of range and quick charging. PHEV, or plug-in hybrid, for versatility in long-distance travel and short-range electric range. An electric motor and compact battery are combined with an efficient gasoline or diesel engine. Skoda RV charging, an advanced energy management system, and a vast charging network are available. The newest Skoda Connect Infotainment system features a large touchscreen and wireless connection for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Smart storage features include a fold-out hook, an elastic storage net, a hidden drawer, an expanding bottle holder, and underfloor storage. Skoda Travel Assist. All-inclusive driver aid features such as lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, adaptive cruise control, and front assist with Predictive Cyclist and Pedestrian protection. Parking and navigating in confined locations are made easier with a 360-degree camera. Reinforced body structure for passenger protection.